Here's the punctuated version of the text. The James Webb Telescope has quite recently sent a stunning message that has left all NASA researchers quiet. The biggest optical telescope in space has been noticing various parts of our immense universe for quite a long time, uncovering different peculiarities. Anyway, the new picture has sent a wave through the universe of science and space science. What unnerving picture has the James Webb Telescope captured? Could it have shot an alien spacecraft in the furthest reaches of space? Join us as we explore the frightening new images that the James Webb Telescope has simply uncovered, pictures we have never seen before. Assuming you're keen on keeping fully informed regarding news from the universe and its environmental factors, subscribe to our channel, make certain to like this video, and turn on notifications. NASA's $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope was launched from the European spaceport in French Guiana. Once it showed up at its new grandiose home, this infrared observatory has given stunning perspectives on the universe to researchers and stargazers. As the biggest and most progressive space telescope to date, researchers were thrilled to see the first scientific pictures captured by the telescope. Anyway, what they saw almost left them frozen. At the point when the James Webb turned its instruments toward the famous pillars of creation, it captured the renowned dust clouds in great detail. These pillars are situated in the constellation Serpens, around 7,000 light-years away from Earth. The pillars of creation are part of the Eagle Nebula, enormous clouds of gas and dust that were first shot by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995. From that point forward, the remarkable magnificence of the pillars has been uncovered. The new photo captured by the James Webb Space Telescope reveals the pillars of creation in even more significant detail. Several stars are visible that were not found in the previous picture captured by Hubble, some of which formed 2 or 3 million years ago. This represents an exceptional scientific advancement. The James Webb Space Telescope has additionally examined the so-called Pandora cluster in a dazzling picture. Following Greek mythology, Pandora's cluster is a region predicted by Albert Einstein in 1915. These new pictures confound researchers as they reveal details they knew nothing about in this region of space. Anyway, it is significant to note that this area of space has a formal name, known as Abell 2744, which is part of the Pandora cluster. This cluster houses an assortment of distinct structures within it. What is it that is so entrancing about this picture? It's been seen before, yet only the central core of space has been considered by the Hubble Space Telescope. This suggests that numerous critical mysteries still need to be found in this interesting region of space. Until the James Webb directed its powerful infrared instrument into the area to observe the Pandora cluster, the observing team utilized the large telescope's near-infrared spectrograph and near-infrared camera as part of the Deep Observation program. Prior to the ionization epoch, 4 depictions were taken and then combined into a panoramic picture. This panoramic picture revealed roughly 5,000 infrared light sources in the Pandora cluster, which is around 3.5 billion light-years away. The picture captured by the James Webb Telescope achieved a great harmony between depth and breadth, which could change our view of cosmic development. A highlight of the picture is a bright foreground star in the Milky Way whose special diffraction peak was created by the James Webb Space Telescope. Also apparent are bright sources of white light surrounded by a foggy glow corresponding to much more distant galaxies within the Pandora cluster. Although human-created technology is vital to the observation of this galaxy cluster, stargazers also relied on a natural phenomenon proposed by Albert Einstein in his theory of gravity known as general relativity, published in 1915. As well as fascinating revelations that excite researchers and space experts, the James Webb Telescope has captured weird space phenomena that even researchers can't fully explain. One such mystery is the puzzling concentric rings found around a distant star, which still can't be fully understood by astronomers. The picture was posted on Twitter by a citizen scientist, generating a deluge of comments and debate among the online community. The picture showed a star called WR-140 surrounded by regular wave-like circles that gradually faded. What was striking, anyway, was that the circles were not perfectly round but had a somewhat square appearance. This quickly led to hypotheses about a potential extraterrestrial origin. However, some researchers argued that it was just nature performing something that appeared incomprehensible when seen from a single point of view. Sometimes natural phenomena may appear exceptional from certain perspectives yet have simple explanations. In any case, questions remain. Why do they have that particular shape, and why are they so regular? These inquiries have troubled researchers like Mark McCaffrian, an interdisciplinary scientist with the JWST Science Working Group and a science advisor to the European Space Agency, who called it unusual in a Twitter thread. He explained that the sharp blue structure is an artifact due to optical diffraction from the bright star WR-140 in the picture. Anyway, he noted that the red arc is real and represents a series of shells around WR-140 in space. Despite the fact that NASA is expected to make an explanation soon, in general, young stars tend to glow radiant blue, while over time, they take on a more reddish glow as they burn their fuel and cool. Cosmologists didn't anticipate seeing old red stars in the ancient universe for which the James Webb Space Telescope was built. Nor did they expect to see more massive galaxies that could be up to 1 billion times more massive than the Sun. These red spots revealed in the pictures captured by the James Webb Space Telescope appear to be multiple times more massive, according to Jehan Kartelteep. The most massive galaxies in our sample are estimated to have masses between 2 and 10 times less than that of the Milky Way, she said. This revelation is amazing since galaxies as enormous as our own were found when the universe was only 3% of its current age. Leah moreover mentioned that before cosmologists start changing cosmological theories to explain how these galaxies came together so quickly after the Big Bang, they will need to ensure that the odd red spots they are observing are not something else. Anyway, most alternative explanations would also require entirely new concepts. For instance, stars in the early universe could emit light in unusual ways due to a lack of heavy elements, which are not integrated into our models. The pictures that revealed these bewildering galaxies were obtained by Webb's near-infrared camera as part of the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science program. The team intends to return soon to these galaxies and the SMACS 0723 cluster to obtain spectra of light from distant points. The spectra decompose the observed light according to its composition into wavelengths, thus revealing the chemical and physical properties of its source. Notably, the spectra provide very precise distances to these objects. The distance and character of these objects are related, and if we know the distance, we can pin down the character as well, Leah states. Only half a year after Webb's team made the first observations public, researchers are being forced to change theories about the early universe. Observing the early universe for the first time led us to discover something so surprising that it presents problems for science in general, as it questions the whole picture of early galaxy formation. Another astonishing picture captured by the James Webb Space Telescope shows the phantom galaxy, which looks like a whirlpool spinning before our eyes. This new picture, based on deep space data, highlights the dust lanes of galaxy NGC 628, or M74, also known as the perfect spiral due to its symmetry. The phantom galaxy is intriguing from a scientific perspective because of the intermediate mass black hole that researchers believe is at its core. Although the phantom galaxy has been imaged numerous times, including by space observatories such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope, the Webb pictures stand out due to the near-infrared light that revealed cosmic dust. Combined with the power of its unique 18-segment hexagonal mirror and its location in deep space, the James Webb Scope, hailed as one of the most ambitious projects in space exploration, continues to astound researchers with its remarkable capabilities and discoveries. Launched with a mission to reveal the deepest mysteries of the universe, Webb has not disappointed in its initial observations. From capturing the intricate details of distant galaxies to uncovering previously hidden phenomena, Webb's contributions to astronomy are rewriting the textbooks of our understanding. One of the telescope's unique accomplishments is its ability to peer deeper into space than any other instrument before it. By harnessing its advanced infrared technology and utilizing a large 18-segment mirror, Webb has opened a new realm of exploration. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, which primarily operated in the visible and ultraviolet spectrum, Webb's infrared capabilities allow it to penetrate cosmic dust clouds and observe celestial objects hidden from optical telescopes. This capability proved crucial in its observations of the iconic pillars of creation within the Eagle Nebula. Webb's infrared gaze revealed unprecedented details of these massive columns of gas and dust where new stars are born. The telescope's ability to see through the thick nebular material provided cosmologists with clearer insights into the processes shaping stellar birth and evolution. In addition, Webb's observations of distant galaxy clusters, such as Able 2744, Pandora cluster, have shed new light on the large-scale structure of the universe. By capturing thousands of infrared sources within these clusters, Webb has enabled stargazers to study the formation and evolution of galaxies across cosmic time. The deep-field images obtained by Webb not only expand our understanding of galaxy cluster dynamics, but also challenge existing models of galaxy formation and evolution. One of the most intriguing discoveries made by Webb is the presence of ancient galaxies that defy conventional cosmological theories. These galaxies, seen when the universe was only a fraction of its current age, have masses that rival or exceed that of the Milky Way. Such findings raise fundamental questions about how galaxies assembled and grew in the early